Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can import videos into DaVinci Resolve. So you can select file and import media, or you can go to File Explorer and select the media you want. For instance, this one, and just drag it in the media pool. And then I'm just going to select change frame rate to follow the video. And if I want to insert it to like the project, I'm just going to drag it and put it here. And that's pretty much how you can import videos in DaVinci Resolve. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!